Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SPY Education, myself Radha. And today we are going to discuss about food flavor and food color agent. And this lecture is mainly beneficial for the aspirant who are going to prepare for Telangana Food Safety Officer exam. So in our previous few lecture, we already discussed about carbohydrate, protein, lipid structure and classification, as well as carotenoid, chlorophyll, anthocyanin, pigment. And today we are going to target food flavor and food color, in which we are going to discuss myoglobin, hemoglobin, terrapin, ketone and quinone. So let's start with our today's lecture. So myoglobin and hemoglobin. Myoglobin is related to muscle protein and hemoglobin is related to blood pigment. Means the color of the blood, that is red, is just because of the hemoglobin. So this is responsible for the blood pigment. Hemoglobin contains 4 polypeptide chain and 4 heme group. Heme means iron group, which are planar collection of atom with the iron atom at the center. Heme group function, what is the function of hemoglobin? That it carry 4 oxygen. So we can write hemoglobin, 4 hemoglobin bind with 4 oxygen, that is 4 HbO2. So to combine reversibly with a molecule of oxygen carried by the blood from the lungs to the tissue. So what is the main function of the heme group? To combine with oxygen carried by the blood from the lungs to the tissues. So its main function is to provide the oxygenated blood to all the part of the body. Next one is the myoglobin. Myoglobin consists of single polypeptide. As we say that hemoglobin consists of 4 polypeptide chain, in the same way myoglobin consists of single polypeptide chain, is attached to a single hemoglobin group. It is contained with the cell tissue and it acts as a temporary storehouse for the oxygen brought up by the hemoglobin in the blood. So main function of myoglobin is to store oxygen, one molecule of oxygen. Hemoglobin considered the linking together of 4 myoglobin. So structure of myoglobin. This is hemoglobin. So myoglobin consists of a backbone and heme binding domain. Myoglobin was the first protein to be subjected to X-ray crystallography, means to visualize a 3D image of it. And the backbone of myoglobin consists of 8 alpha helix. So it consists of 8 alpha helix and that wrap around a central pocket containing a heme group. This is a heme group, that is red in color. So this is the structure of hemoglobin, that consists of alpha and beta factors, and each subunit resemble with myoglobin tertiary structure. So this is T form. T form means, T means tensed form. Tensed means when hemoglobin bind with carbon dioxide. But when there is a conformational change and hemoglobin bind with oxygen, this state is called relaxed state. This is called relaxed state. And this is the structure of hemoglobin, consists of this heme or iron, coordinate 6 bond center of porphyrin ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bond center. So hemoprotein is a specialized protein that have a prosthetic heme group, and prosthetic group is a non-protein molecule essential to biological function. Myoglobin acts as a storage house, or we can say reservoir for oxygen, and hemoglobin supply body tissue or we can say it supply oxygen to all the tissue of the body. This is the dissociation curve of myoglobin and hemoglobin. So what is important? Hemoglobin show sigmoidal curve and myoglobin allosteric. So this is hemoglobin corporative sigmoidal curve. This is hemoglobin dissociation curve, that is sigmoidal, or we can say S shape. Sigmoidal because it look like S. And hemoglobin, when we say that hemoglobin is in relaxed form, means it oxygenated. Hemoglobin bind with oxygen. And when we say that it is in tense form, means it combined with carbon dioxide. Next one is the food flavor. So our next topic is food flavor. Flavor is a sensation produced by the material taken in the mouth, perceived principally by the sense of the taste and smell, and also by the general pain, tactile and temperature receptor in the mouth. Flavor denote the sum of the characteristics of the material which produce that sensation. So flavor is a kind of sensation produced by the material that we intake by our mouth and the sense of taste and smell. Flavor is one of the three main sensory properties which help in deciding selection, acceptance and ingestion of the food. Flavor compound, volatile compound in food like ester, aldehyde, ketone, these are responsible for flavor or aroma of food. Few of them are like flavonoids, terpenoids. So flavonoid responsible for flavor in orange, lemon. Terpenoid, they are omnipresent in plant food. They contribute to the flavor of the citrus fruit like lemon and are major component of citrus oil. And the major constituent of essential oil is this. Other volatile flavor compound, food whose aroma is due to single compound only. So these are the example of that. And food whose aroma is due to mixture of small number of compound, one of which is the major component. For example, apple is due to 2-methyl butyrate. Pineapple and walnut, the aroma can be reproduced with the help of large number of the compound. Next one is that is anthocyanin. This is mainly act as a pigment, protein that provide blue or red or purple color to the fruit and vegetable. Next one is the flavonoid. It provide yellow color. It provide yellow color to the lemon, orange. So flavonoid is responsible for that yellow color. Next one is the tannin. They are complex mixture of polymeric polyphenol. They impart color ranging from colorless to yellow or brown. So what they impart? They impart color from colorless to yellow or brown. So tannin is responsible for that. And they contribute to the astringency and enzymatic browning, or we can say brown color of the food. Next one is the betalain. They are a group of pigment found in red beet, cactus fruit, pokeberries and flower like bougainvillea. And the pigment are red and yellow in color. So for red and yellow in color, betalain is responsible. Next one is the quinone and xanthone. They are found in the cell sap of the flowering plant, fungi, bacteria and algae. And they provide a color range from pale yellow to black. Tannin yellow or brown and betalain red and yellow. So today we discuss about myoglobin as well as food flavor and volatile compound that are responsible for different kind of flavor in the food. I hope this lecture is very clear to all of you. So thank you so much everyone. If you find this video beneficial for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such kind of videos. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.